Presenting exceptional character with traditional charm found in every part of this home. Hi, my name's Stefan Bertram, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to walk you through this home. It offers everything you want for that modern growing family. Let's go have a look. Moving through the property, you're instantly met with sweeping water and district views. The property is situated on an elevated position, capturing expansive views over the treetops. The kitchen for this property is definitely the heart of the home. With easy access from all entertaining areas, the kitchen boasts endless storage options, beautiful stone bench tops, as well as high caliber SMEG appliances. Moving outside, you have a selection of entertaining areas, giving the option for both large and smaller groups for entertaining. They are all complemented by beautiful views and established gardens. Something I love about this property and what is going to stand out to so many families looking in this pocket, apart from the exceptional character found in this home, has to be this great pool entertaining area at the back with endless sun, amazing views. It's perfect for young kids and a growing family. Moving upstairs through a gorgeous wide staircase, you are met with 3 oversized bedrooms, and the master is second to none with an oversized ensuite connecting nicely to a one-of-a-kind home office with world-class views. Other features include a beautiful arts and craft federation style found throughout the home, off-street secure parking by way of lock-up garages and an undercover carport, as well as ducted air conditioning throughout the home. The location for this property is superb, ideally positioned in the popular Clifton Gardens pocket of Mosman, with an easy stroll to Clifton Gardens Beach, but also the buses on Bradley's Head Road with easy access to Mosman Village and the city. And a welcome bonus for the family is Taronga Zoo at your doorstep, as well as other parks and bayside walks. After walking through this property, you can really feel that it ticks all the boxes when it comes to family living. I can't wait for you to check it out for yourself. If there's any questions, give me a call. If not, we'll see you at the next inspection.